Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to contact a rider on Foodpanda. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever phone you have, and download the Foodpanda application. Now, when you did that, you just need to go and log in to your profile or register of course, but if you have problems, we can always help you with that. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the top left corner, we have the search bar and we have your address. Also, in top bottom, we have the home, shops, search, and account options. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and contact a rider on Foodpanda. So the first thing guys that you need to do is go and check out, get a actual order. So you just need to go and click on, for instance, let's go this pizza place, go and click on Pizza Hut, and just go and click on your plus button to get your order in your basket. Now we're going back, and here in the top right corner, you have your basket where you will have your order when you have it. Then you just need to go and order it, and you can reach out the rider through the in-app chat feature, but only when the order has been assigned to your rider. You can tap on the ongoing order, and there button we have you chat with your rider, where you can go and chat with him. So guys, that will be everything for this channel. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this channel. Bye guys.